Our electric actuators go through a mass production and later quality control process that guarantees their correct function. Each actuator is adjusted and revised one by one. By using its serial numbers, we could identify the unit as well as know its own traceability. The story begins when the sales department receives an order which is immediately registered in our system. At the same time, the system generates a manufacturing order for each article number. The manufacturing order is sent to the production department, which issues the corresponding serial numbers and identification labels for each ordered actuator. We put the identification label on the body of each actuator at the beginning of the mass production process. Our actuators go through different processes before being packed and sent to the customer. Throughout the mentioned processes, the same actuator is adjusted and verified at different voltages, so we could confirm the actuator works properly at any of them. First of all, we check and confirm that the set including gear train, motor and PCB works properly. This test is made at 24 volts DC. The next step is CAMS adjustment. We are doing it at 220 volts AC. Our code reader reads both the actuator and the PCB QR code. The computer will transfer the corresponding model parameters to the actuator PCB. The motor stop position, either open or closed, is adjusted with a ±0.5 degree of tolerance. The confirmation position, either open or closed, is adjusted 3 degrees before the position with the same tolerance. The cams are adjusted by hand until the computer screen shows 4 boxes in green color. It's only in this moment where the adjustment is approved. After the CAMS adjustment, put the cover on the actuator following the indication which appear on the manufacturing order about brand and color. We connect the cable to the actuator before we fix the cover to the body by using the 6 fixing screws. The next step is the torque meter verification. We do it at 24 volts AC. Our code reader reads the actuator QR code and identifies the model. The torque meter confirms that the torque parameters, both run and brake, corresponds to the actuator model we are testing at this moment. The test is approved only when the screen shows 4 boxes in green color. Otherwise, we would readjust it and check it again. After that, we continue with the CAMS verification. We are doing it at 110 volts AC. We check the CAMS position, either the motor stop position or the confirmation of the position, with a ±1 degree of tolerance. The verification is approved once the computer screen shows 4 boxes in green color. No actuator could pass the outstanding test without having passed the prior one with success. Our computer itself will show the failure on the screen, so the actuator couldn't go farther. We put the wiring diagram label on the cover of the actuator, and later on we mark with a tick the identification label on the body of the actuator. Now we fix the outer connectors and the handle. It's important to point out that all the information related to the actuator is kept in our system and saved in our production server. So it could be consulted by any of our customers anytime. The only thing we have to do is to introduce a serial number in the system and obtain the information very easily. From our server, we check and confirm that all the actuators which are in our manufacturing orders have passed the control tests without any problem. They are highlighted in green color. At the end, each actuator is packed individually in 100% recyclable packaging and sent together with an installation instruction sheet. The shipment is ready to be sent.